Hello, boys and girls. Congratulations on successfully completing your job as the Thomasville Times newspaper reporter. With lots of enthusiasm, you have presented your evaluation of your trip to the dairy farm. Within your published documents and presentations, I have noticed that we might have a new flavor of milk coming to our supermarkets and at our school in the near future. There have been several flavors and milk carton designs that are being debated as we speak, like bubblegum, orange, watermelon, cookies and cream, butterscotch, lemon, blueberry, and many others. You stated in your report that when a cow has a calf, she will start producing milk, and from that milk, we get things like cheese, yogurt, butter, and ice cream. With all your time and hard work, I can just imagine that the newspaper will ask for your help again on a different breaking story. So get moving it along and have a glass of milk for lunch.